So we're checking out the Radclo professional drone. It's a quadcopter. Let's open this up and let's see what comes inside. Okay. So right off the bat, immediately it's a box inside a box. But this is primarily for taking your drone around. It's a carrying case for it. Okay, we got a little storage bag in here. We got a little instructional guide. Batteries, very nice of them. Joysticks with little protectors on there so they don't get damaged. That's nice. Interesting. And then here is the actual unit itself. Interesting. Okay. In this little baggie here, we have additional batteries for the unit. We've got additional blades. They've given us at least 2 of the blades, and then we have guards in case you want a set of guards on it to protect it in its use. These batteries just slide in here and just slide out. That's cool. There is your camera there, your 1080p camera. Got a power button right there. It's a very lightweight device, but that's not bad. That's pretty cool. Okay, so this is a power cord. You can switch to USB, and then you can plug that in. Right here on the battery. Sorry, it took me a second to find it. You plug those in on the battery, and that will allow you to charge the battery for the actual flight. And then these right here, okay, that's for your phone. Haha. Okay. So you got your on, off, trim. You've got your adjuster there for your phone to hold that in place. Very nice. These batteries are actually going to go in here. That's cool. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to charge this up, and then we are going to take it flying. So before we go, I want to talk about a couple of the really cool features of this remote. On the right here, we have your camera setting, as well as your speed mode settings. So a simple press will take a picture, a long hold will record. On the left side, that button there is going to activate the speed. So clicking that is going to cycle through the 3 different settings for low, medium, and high. On the left here, the left has a 1-button takeoff, 1-button land by just tapping it. Holding is going to activate emergency shutoff mode, and the item is going to just cut off power. On the right, that is your barrel roll and headless mode. Pressing it once will do a barrel roll. Pressing it twice, pressing and holding is going to operate deadless mode. And then obstacle avoidance is activated by clicking and holding onto the right button. So that's really cool. The left one doesn't have a click feature, just the right one has the click feature by pushing down on it. The joysticks are a little bit rough, but they're designed like that specifically so that they don't slip. They move exactly where you want them to. Very good grip to them. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you guys like this video, and we'll see you guys next time.